Abena. Abena. Hey! Abena. Who would be back? We dey go chin papa pao. Me uncle Obio. Nani nebo.
Asa me die.
Hey. Would you cry me bossy? Share.
If you are family.
Hey.
Oh. No way then. Once my birthday na tremor. And me catch you say last year auto way na mama you call taking no. So this year and I'm saying me pe anklets ni other way be and see mommy worry. It's on send draw buy na me pay no. Then he got me this. But no come see. And then me na say so do.
Debi o papa.
And I show mommy way with my name, anklets. I have another chain here. And then
into the chair.
Mommy na day.
Who ni nebo?
Na ko beji ako. Mommy, it's a me catch you must say. And ya one day see a good dear for. One day see and be my baby woman. Like this gold is nothing. When it comes to now kasa.
Where ya uko kantamanto e gugu bonum wait. Uko kantamanto sanyema we.
Uko kantamanto.
Abena.
Let's say good.
What are you doing with my client stuff?
Draw. A draw.
Do you know how much this costs?
Hey, the man gave it to her yesterday for her birthday. Your birthday, right?
Yes.
Hey, it's for her. I even told her that this one is beautiful.
Hey, bring it. This is for my client and the wife. Look.
So why do you have Abena on it? It's for Abena.
That's his wife's name, Abena.
No.
Why? It's with Jimmy away, they won't die.
No evidence.
You see, you're talking about Cantamanto. Bro, I was
saying you is your wedding. What you are? I just said, baby. What kind of life is this?
People so almost a real gold.
You're real good. They are.
That's right. Boy.
Listen, you will not have access to my bedroom again. Do you understand?
No, but
what? Obia dear. You must is here. How will you pay? What do you mean, Jimmy? You know?
Bro, no me chen say a gold.
A gold. A what dear? Is it yours? Say yours is here. How are you going to pay? What do you mean, Jimmy? You know?
Oh, Jimmy, you know? So to her. Shen in an esca. Viviana, what did you? Hey! Hey! Go do! Tell me, I'm going to be me. Abena, what do you be crying me? Send a minute. Oh, I've now I had it. What do you make? Why had it? Hey! Go on here.
Oh God, me bra pray. Me ya di kawe afa. A good year to say. Na me boy and mama good year say. Opa be tito. I'm because of you come on Jimmy bio. She Abena Ghana. Ish level way there. Life will beat me.